I'm Jeff Evans, and since 1998, I've been doing magic shows full-time for fairs, festivals, and events just like yours. If you're looking for a great way to draw a crowd, hold their attention, and make sure they have an awesome time at your event, please get in touch with me.
Sorry. Actually, hold on to the cards. 7.5 times. Voila! Unbelievable! Yeah! That's not it. Wait, hold on to it. Oh no, you guys, hold on. Oh man. Yeah, it's the one!
You got me. People have said that they love my show because it's clean enough for kids, but sophisticated enough for adults. And it's not unusual for you to see audiences of kids, senior citizens, and even teens all having a blast at my shows.
What do you want me to turn this $20 bill into? What are you gonna buy? In the glasses. Yes, oh, give her some encouragement. Oh, yay. We're about to perform the vanishing water trick. That gentleman, who's that? Water began to disappear. Oh, this is for real, I'll give you $1. What? Yeah!
25,064.
Give yourselves a hand! You hold on to that. Don't let anyone else see it yet. These aren't numbers, they're letters. Hey, can you grab those Legos and bring them over here? Yeah, bring them on over. How many Legos do you think are in this big tub? You're not gonna count them?
Not only do I do the stage shows, but I also perform strolling magic throughout the grounds. This would be magic with coins, cards, borrowed cell phones, money, rubber bands. Sometimes people like this close-up style of magic best because it happens literally right in front of their face.
They have your half. Maybe less than 5. I already got it! You have my penny! You have my penny! Hold on. Oh man. Wait, was it? Show it to me.
That was good.
Oh yeah! No way!
I can appreciate that.
Well, she's got one behind her ear too. Wait a minute. You got one behind your ear. Wait a minute. You have another. You don't even feel those behind your ear? So weird. Good. There you go. Wiggle. Check it out.
Oh man!